Alright guys, welcome back to ASR. I know it's been like at least 8 days since the last time I uploaded, but I got sick and I was supposed to upload a couple of times last week. I never did because I don't know. I didn't think I sounded that good in the video, and I want to actually make some decent videos for you guys. So yeah, and um, this is definitely a hard part of my life right now. But I mean, I never really cared in the first place. So I mean, I care now because yeah. But anyways, and then enough with that. Um, Today was a really bearish day. It's alright if you guys long today. I mean, obviously, it wouldn't be alright for you guys' bank counts, but I mean, it's alright if you guys long today. There was maybe a couple fake outs today, but overall, it would have been alright because yeah, you trade for tomorrow. I hope you guys didn't risk that much if you did long today, and if you did long today, then I hope you could figure out what you maybe did wrong or looked at wrong. But let's go into the trade I took. I took the trade today on ES, and I'll tell you why I took that trade on ES today. So coming in the market open on the daily, we looked at. Originally I was bearish. I was bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Originally I was bullish. I looked at, even though we didn't inverse this daily candle on ES, we did inverse this daily candle on Nasdaq. We did inverse this daily candle on Nasdaq, and we could have very well came up here and swept these highs right here, especially with the tech rally. Yeah, we definitely could have did that, but we did not. And that's another one of those probably things you guys should look into if you long today is 100% going to be market structure. You should not ignore market structure. Now, even though we did inverse this value gap, we came out we came out of the value gap bullish. I mean bearish. Gosh. All right. Go to the 4 hour. And then look at the 4 hour. We inversed that probably on this candle right here is when we inversed that. But yeah. On the 4 hour, let me market opened on pretty much this candle right here. 4 hours not really telling us much. Let's go down to the hourly and let me clear all this junk off the screen real quick. And I'll hide this as well so you guys can maybe see a little bit better everything. Alright. So this is just this is bear market. Let's look at it. And also, you probably could have thought we were maybe gonna feel this little imbalance right here. I wouldn't have been mad at you guys if you guys would have thought we would have felt this imbalance right here. Cause we did feel it actually. Okay, we did feel it on ES. So yeah, we did feel it. We got a down candle out of that fill, so that could have been another reason why you guys would have long today. Not the down candle out of it, but just the feeling of this maybe pre-market. You guys thought we were gonna feel it or something, which is totally fine. Got on to the 15 minute. I was on the 15 minute a lot today. But yeah, let me market open so I can stop getting confused and stuff. Alright, market open right here. Looks like pre-market. We we had a we filled this 15 minute for value gap on pre-market, and as well as we did not fill this for value gap, but we did fill this for value gap right about here on ES, so that's good. And then we got a down candle out of it. And whenever one of your confluences gets filled, like let's say a liquidity sweep gets filled, a value gap gets filled, a equilibrium, any of that gets hit, you always just want to scale down so you guys can get that more precise entry. And if you don't scale down, you could probably trade the bigger picture if you guys really wanted to, but scaling down is probably more often not going to be not your best bet because you don't want to scale down to like the second, 30 second, but 5 minutes probably going to be your best bet, or 1 minute if you're looking like for some really precise stuff. So we did not get that sweep right there. Neither did we get the sweep on Nasdaq. Market open right here. Market open. Boom, market opened this candle. We opened up bullish. And I came in right here, pretty sure on the 1 minute, because we filled, no, entered in on the 1 minute. We filled this for value gap in on the 5 minute. So let's say this candle right here was just being made. This candle right here. And if we go on the 1 minute, boom, this candle get made. Boom, we enter the value gap. Boom, we get a down candle. I short right here. And since I'm trying to trade for like lower accounts that are like, cause I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna be doing a funded account. I mean, I can maybe do a funded account, but I don't know. It's just the thought of, I don't know. I just like, I might look into doing funded accounts, but I don't know. It's just gonna overall depend, because I thinking about doing live trading. If you guys are gonna do live trading, you 100, and you don't have that much capital, you 100% don't want to have these big massive stop losses like this, like all the way up here. You want to risk about maybe 5% if you have a live account. So 5% for my live account would probably be $300 to $500. So I'd want a 20 stop loss. So 20 times 2, since it's in a mini futures. Since it's in a mini, this is a mini futures, by the way. So that'd be 20 times 2. That'd be $40 stop loss. And then down here, 40 times 2. That'd be an $80 stop loss. I mean, $80 take profit. So boom, $80 right here. This would have been probably an $80 day for me. But yeah, boom. And I think maybe trading on a live account is what I'm gonna do first. I know a lot of people go to funded then live, but I think live might work out a little bit for me. I might check out funded accounts. I don't know. It's just overall gonna depend. But yeah, anyways, out of this for value gap, this is a 5 minute for value gap. Out of this 5 minute for value gap, we swept these 5 minute highs. We didn't sweep out this high, but we swept out this high. This 5 minute, this 1 minute high on ES, down candle out of it. Boom, enter right here, and you guys could have targeted. Boom, this this for value gap right here. Pretty sure, I think this is an hourly for value gap. You guys could have targeted. Boom, down here, or if I turn on the sessions, you guys could have, yeah, that's London. You guys could have targeted London lows, Asia lows, or maybe this liquidity down here. And probably anything past that would have been realistic. You guys probably wouldn't have, yeah, targeted all the way down here. But yeah, so this would have been if I did, this was real money, this probably would have been like a $50 contract turned into $500 is what today would have been. That's if I like full risk on the table, full everything. Oh yeah, it wasn't right here. It was yeah, okay. I'm pretty sure it was a 30 stop loss. So let me just, pretty sure, yeah, I think it was equilibrium or whatever. But yeah, boom, right there. So yeah, that's really the trade for today. And some I think it had a couple of pullbacks. You guys could have got at it. You guys could have came into if you guys did miss that entry. You guys could have boom. This is on NASDAQ, by the way. So even on the other index, both of them still would have traded well. We have this for value gap right here. We pull back into this for value gap, and then we get a down candle out of it. Boom, reverse. Boom, you could have targeted anywhere you think liquidity is going to hit. Asia lows or whatever you think is going to hit down there. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade for today. I mean, starting off strong with really big, not big, obviously, but a big prediction on my part where price went all the way down there and it ended up hitting what it did. So, yeah, but that's going to be the video. If you guys have any questions, don't just shoot them at me. I mean, I'll make a video on pretty much anything. I don't really have any user requested videos right now, but if you guys have some, just let me know and shoot them in the comments. I got you. Oh yeah, no face cam today, by the way. So is what it is. Might have one tomorrow. I don't know. If you guys want face cam, you can just, yeah. Anything you guys want, just literally shoot them at me in the comments. But, yeah. That's gonna be it.